Hi, so today I'm unboxing the Chozy Triple Booster set with Hazard Kerbeus, set Achilles, and Wolborg. Back to box, just showing the parts and abilities, so that's pretty much it. Here are the bags, and here are the stickers and the instructions. I took all the bays out of the package and I'm going to put the stickers on. So here are the bays with the stickers, and the first one I'm going to go over is Hazard Kerbeus. So the layer, it looks, I don't like it very much. I like Guardian Kerbeus a lot more in my opinion, but the gimmick doesn't seem to do anything. Just like moves a little bit, doesn't seem like it'll affect in battle. I got these swaps for the level chip, but I don't have one, so can't use it. And my teeth actually, I know some people have said they're just really bad, but mine honestly feel kind of tight. They feel pretty good. I would say this kind of like deep chaos teeth, I guess. I don't have very many TT bays, so I can't really compare very well, but they feel pretty good. They don't feel bad. And my atomic, it is kind of like messed up, but apparently that's all atomics from Hazard Kerbeus like that. So yeah. Next is the Z Achilles or Z Achilles recolor. So the layer, I think it looks better on the box art than IRL. Pretty cool though. I do like the gold, and then the flames look pretty nice. This is my first 3-disc, but I can already say I don't like it. It just like feels pretty light and doesn't feel very good. But dagger here, it's a pretty cool frame, I guess. I like how it looks, but it's not very competitive, so fits on there. And then destroy. So it's actually really good. Probably the best driver in the game. The red looks nice. It's like kind of metallic red, putting it together. Pretty tight. Yeah. So got some solid teeth, I guess, for an attack type, and my driver destroys. Pretty free spinning, so good. And the last bay is Wolborg. So this is a plastic Jinbei remade into the burst form. You can see it says Wolborg here. I believe it's what it says in Japanese. The stickers were pretty hard to put on, especially the eyes are here, the yellow part, when they get it like almost perfect. So, and the teeth are actually pretty good too. So yeah, pretty good bay. Well, for like collection, not for battle. And my bearing, 8 is already nothing to talk about. We've had a few 8 releases, but my bearing, it's really good. It spins really long. It's actually better than my God customized set bearing. So yeah, got a really good bearing with it. I know some people have gotten like really trash bearings with this set, but luckily I got a really good one with mine and putting it together. Tight, but still going to get bursted by newer bays because of the weight difference. So now that I have all these bays here, I'm going to do a few battles. Wolborg versus Achilles. Wolborg versus Hazard Kerbeus. So that's it for my unboxing and review of the triple booster set. Thank you for watching.